This operation can only be undertaken under embroidery conformation status. Positioning idling. Low speed idling forward. Press this button to idle forward continuously. Press this button to idle forward by 1 stitch. Low speed idling backward. Press this button to idle backward continuously. Press this button to idle backward by 1 stitch. High speed idling forward. High speed idling backward. Go to next color. Go to previous color. Input the stitch number. Idling forward by specific number of stitches. Idling backward by specific number of stitches. Back to start point. Back to stop point.